Hello and welcome to the MyFriendsApp. This app allows people to make new friendships. Many people have felt lonely after a long period during the corona pandemic, but this app will make it possible to make new friendships in an easy way. The first thing the user has to do is signing in with email and code, or signing in with Google. But I have already set up my Google account, so I can just go back to this login page and choose my Google account. And then press login. Then I will be sent to the home page, where it is possible to scroll through postings made by other users in the app. Here we can see what the person is interested in and what activity they would like to do with a new friend. Then we also have the floating action bar down here. This is where the user can create their own post. And this is where in the future that other users can see who I am and what activity I would like to do. So I will just make one. And then my description. Want to go paddling with me, and then my age, phone number, and then I press add profile to meet new friends and back to homepage, and then my post will appear up here so other users can see it. And in addition, there is a navigation bar. Here the user can get great ideas for activities that they can do with their new friends. Concert contains description and date of a specific concert. So here the user can scroll through concert they may go to with a new friend. And then we have the events. This is a small page where the user can get an overview of possible places to visit in Aarhus. And then we have this little small page with help and feedback if anyone should have questions about the use of the app. And finally, we have the sign out button, where the user will be redirected to the login screen. Thank you for watching.